The rise of artificial intelligence sparks a common fear: will AI take our jobs? While automation is transforming many industries, the tech sector itself holds a unique set of roles that aren't just safe from AI, but are actually enhanced by it. Today, we are diving into the tech jobs that AI simply cannot replace, securing your future in this evolving landscape. First up, AI ethicists and governance specialists. As AI becomes more powerful, ensuring it's developed and used responsibly is paramount. These professionals establish ethical guidelines, mitigate bias, and navigate complex legal and moral dilemmas. Their role requires deep human empathy, critical thinking, and nuanced judgment, qualities AI cannot replicate. Next, we have prompt engineers and AI trainers. You might think AI works independently, but it needs human guidance to perform effectively. These experts craft precise instructions, refine AI models, and teach them to understand complex queries. Their job is to bridge the gap between human intent and AI capability, ensuring the technology serves our specific needs. Cybersecurity specialists are more critical than ever. While AI can assist in detecting threats, the ever-evolving nature of cyber warfare demands human creativity, strategic thinking, and adaptability. Hackers use AI, so defenders need human ingenuity to stay one step ahead, devising novel solutions against sophisticated, AI-powered attacks. This is a constant human versus human battle, amplified by AI. Consider human-centric UI/UX designers. AI can generate interfaces, but understanding the intricate nuances of human psychology, emotion, and behavior to create truly intuitive and delightful user experiences is a profoundly human skill. These designers empathize with users, anticipate their needs, and craft interactions that resonate on a deeper, emotional level, a task beyond current AI capabilities. Quantum computing engineers are in a league of their own. This cutting-edge field requires profound theoretical understanding, complex problem-solving, and hands-on scientific experimentation. Designing and building quantum processors, developing algorithms, and pushing the boundaries of computation demands human innovation at its highest level. AI can assist, but cannot lead this fundamental research. As you can see, the future of tech isn't about AI replacing humans, but about humans leveraging AI to solve more complex problems. These roles highlight the enduring value of human creativity, critical thinking, empathy, and specialized expertise. Investing in these skills will not only secure your career but also drive the next wave of technological innovation. Stay curious, stay human.